Hello, my name is L McComas and I'm a Touro University nurse practitioner student. Today I'll be conducting a cardiovascular exam. This is Mark, he's a 48-year-old male Caucasian. Hi Mark, my name is Lindsay and I'm going to be conducting your exam today.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm very well. If it's okay with you, I'd like to take the opportunity and wash my hands.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I'd just like to explain to you kind of the procedure of what we're going to be doing with you today.
Okay.
We're going to be listening to your heart and we're going to be doing this in several different positions. I'll have you sitting upright as you are now. I'll also have you laying on your back, and then I will also have you lying on your side.
Okay.
I'm going to be listening for heart tones in 5 different areas, using both the bell and the diaphragm of my stethoscope. The bell allows me to hear higher pitched sounds.
Okay.
So after we do that, then I'm also going to check your pulses. So I'll be checking both your wrists, your femoral area, the top of your feet, and the sides of your feet.
Okay.
So what I'm going to be looking for is any sort of abnormalities that might be noted, any sort of extra heart sounds like S3 or S4, any sort of rubs or murmurs that might be noted. Additionally, with your pulses, I'll be checking for any thrills and then checking the strength of your pulses.
Okay.
So if it's okay with you, I'd like to go ahead and get started.
Okay.
So I'm going to start by listening to your heart with my diaphragm. And where I'm going to be listening is the second intercostal space on the sternal border on the right-hand side. And then I'll move over to the left second intercostal space on the sternal border, the third intercostal space, the fourth intercostal space, and then the fifth intercostal space. And I'm going to repeat this process with the other side of my stethoscope. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions during the procedure. Otherwise, just please breathe normally. Okay, no murmurs are heard. No additional heartbeats such as S3 or S4. S1 and S2 are noted as normal.
Okay.
So what I'd like for you to go ahead and do now for me is go ahead and lay on your back. And I'm going to repeat this process again twice. If you have any questions during the exam, please let me know. And again, I'm going to repeat the process. Okay, again, normal heart sounds are noted as S1 and S2. No S3 or S4 rubs or murmurs were noted. So right now, I'm going to actually go ahead and have you lie on your left-hand side, please. The reason that we do this is because sometimes murmurs are more easily heard when you're lying on your left-hand side. So I'm going to repeat the process again 2 more times. Okay, one more time if that's okay with you.
Mm-hmm.
Again, normal heart sounds are noted, S1 and S2. No S3, S4 gallops, murmurs, or rubs. So now I'm just going to palpate you, which means I'm going to put my hands on your chest
Okay.
and just feel for any abnormalities in it. And your PMI feels good, and I feel no abnormalities, and the sternum is in the correct position. So now that I have you back on your back, I'm just going to go ahead and check those arteries that I talked about. So I'm going to first start by feeling each one of your wrists. Okay?
Okay.
Left radial artery is 2+, no thrills noted. I'm going to feel your right radial artery. It's also 2+, no thrills noted. I'm going to check each one of your femoral arteries, which are in your groin, if that's okay.
Okay.
Femoral artery is 2+ as well, no thrills noted. Right femoral artery is 2+, again, no thrills noted. I'm going to move down to your feet now, if that's okay. I'm going to be touching the top and the sides of your feet.
Okay.
Okay. Dorsal pedis on the left is 2+, no thrill. Dorsal pedis on the right is 2+, no thrill. Anterior tibialis on the right is 2+, no thrill. Anterior tibialis on the left is 2+ with no thrill. Overall, no abnormalities were found. Heart sounds are normal at S1 and S2, no S3 or S4 murmurs or rubs heard. Pulses are all 2 and very strong and equal bilaterally. Thank you very much.